Alright, YouTube, this is FarmBoy16. I know I ain't put up any videos lately, but like on the last video I ever posted, my 1985 Chevy Silverado, redone the engine on it. Gonna let y'all see it. It's a rebuilt 305. Got the door put off, some dummy hit the side of my truck, put a dent in it, and we knocked it back out. But here's the new engine. Got a Holly 600 carburetor right there. Edelbrock valve covers on both sides. Edelbrock intake and Flotec headers. And I got me some cherry bombs on it. I mean, not cherry bombs, glass packs. Run all the way up, and they cut back right there. And I'm gonna let y'all hear it run. That's my new engine. And there's the pops. Back view. But I just wanted to show y'all, and I put me an aftermarket stereo in it too. It's nice. But I just want to show y'all that, because I ain't posted any videos lately. And it's a C10 Chevy Silverado. But that's all.